大家好，新年快乐，过年好. I wish everybody a happy Lunar New Year. In last video, we learned some greetings you can use for Lunar New Year. In this video, we will learn some key vocabulary of some Spring Festival Lunar New Year customs. Lunar New Year, 农历春节，农历春节 or without 农历春节 New Year's Eve 除夕 or 三十儿 The most important activity is 吃年夜饭吃 eat 年 year 夜 night 饭 food. People like to get together with all the family members, 吃年夜饭 together on a round table with all the good food. Another very important thing is 包饺子包饺子包 means wrap things up. 饺子 dumplings. People usually 吃年夜饭 first, and then 包饺子 together, and then 吃饺子。饺子 is more common in the north of China. In southern China, many people like to 吃汤圆吃年糕汤圆 are round, sticky balls with different fillings. Because of their round shape, 汤圆 simplifies 团团圆圆 family reunion. 吃年糕年糕 is rice cake. 年 means year. 糕 means cake, pudding, pastry. 糕 is pronounced the same as another character meaning high. We have a saying, 新年吃年糕生活年年高生活年年高 means life gets better and better every year. The activity of 吃年糕 carries wishes for a better life. Another fun activity we do on Lunar New Year is 放鞭炮放鞭炮 to set off firecrackers. Firecrackers are wrapped in red. They are extremely loud. Its tradition comes from a folklore. Once upon a time, a man-eating monster called Nian lived deep in ocean, but only came out on 除夕, the very last day of the year. By setting off firecrackers, lighting red lanterns, and wearing red clothing, Nian monster was scared off and never returned. It eventually became a tradition, but nowadays people do it to make our holiday look more festive. If you want to learn some greetings for Lunar New Year, please check out my last video. 祝大家虎年大吉大利，团团圆圆，万事如意。Bye! See you in my next video.